Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Torn between the Sony FE 24-70mm F2.8 GM II and the Panasonic LUMIX G Vario 14-42mm? This isn't just about lenses. It's about choosing the right tool for your creative journey.
The Sony, at nearly $1,830 renewed, looks the part. That G Master badge and the promise of excellent G Master resolution are tempting. But is it worth the premium?
Worth it. That constant f/2.8 aperture is a game changer. Think stunning bokeh and incredible low-light performance. Plus, the Sony's sharpness is top tier, even wide open. Imagine the detail in your portraits.
Okay, but the Panasonic, around $187 renewed, is significantly lighter. Only 0.08 pounds. That's a huge difference compared to the Sony's 1.5 pounds when you're shooting all day. And it has Mega OIS image stabilization.
True. Let's dive deeper. What kind of shooting are we talking about? The Sony's autofocus is blazing fast, thanks to its 4 XD linear motors. It can keep up with 30 frames per second on compatible bodies. Perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects. Think wildlife or sports.
The Panasonic's Mega OIS is great for smoother handheld shots, especially for its price point. But it's designed for Micro Four Thirds cameras, so you're committing to that system. Is the digital stabilization robust enough for serious video work compared to the Sony?
Good point. The Sony minimizes focus breathing, crucial for professional-looking video. No more distracting shifts in the background when you adjust focus.
But here's the big question. Value. The Sony is a serious investment, almost 10 times the price. Is that extra sharpness, faster autofocus, and pro-level build quality worth the cost for your needs?
The Panasonic is a total steal for everyday shooting and travel. It's compact, lightweight, and offers a versatile zoom range for general photography.
Exactly. The Sony is for professionals and serious enthusiasts who demand the absolute best image quality and performance, and are willing to pay for it. The Panasonic is for hobbyists and casual shooters who want a decent lens without emptying their wallets.
So if you're chasing professional-grade images and video, and need that f/2.8 aperture, the Sony is a powerhouse. But if you need a lightweight, affordable lens for everyday adventures on a Micro Four Thirds system, the Panasonic delivers incredible value. Both are solid choices. It's all about matching the right tool to the right artist and their budget. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.